In this exercise, we're going to talk about the steps involved in deleting a subsection and then recovering that subsection. Now, these steps are going to be the same if we were to delete a page. So what I want to do is I'm going to come up here to my pictures section. I'm going to right click on it and then choose delete. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to move this section to the deleted notes? I'm going to click yes. And it is gone from my notebook now. Now from here, to recover it, I'm going to come up to my History ribbon tab. And then I'm going to come over and find my notebook recycling bin. I'm going to click the top half of it. And you'll notice down here there's a area that opens up deleted notes section, right? And there is the subsection we just deleted. So I want to restore this. I'm going to click and drag. See that gray line? That's going to show me where it appears when I let go of my button on the mouse. I'm going to put it right where it was before, just like that. Now to close this down, I'll just click this again and it closes that down. Pretty straightforward. Folks, I hope this was helpful and thanks for joining me, and I hope you join me in the next exercise.